Have you ever noticed tiny black spots on your lips that just won't go away? They're not dirt, they're blackheads. And if you're struggling to get rid of them, you're not alone. In today's video, we're revealing the best cleansers, scrubs, and treatments to clear lip blackheads fast. Plus, a must-have product that works wonders. Make sure to subscribe because next time, we're talking about how to prevent blackheads on your lips so they don't keep coming back. Lip blackheads form when oil, dead skin cells, and dirt clog tiny pores around your lips. Since the skin in this area is more delicate than the rest of your face, using the wrong products can do more harm than good. That's why you need a targeted approach with the right cleansers, scrubs, and treatments. First, a gentle, oil-free cleanser is essential to remove dirt and excess oil without irritating your skin. Avoid harsh soaps that strip away moisture, as this can make blackheads even worse. A great option is Paula's Choice Pore Normalizing Cleanser. It contains salicylic acid, which goes deep into pores to dissolve trapped oil and dead skin cells without drying out your lips. If you want to check it out, I've left the link in the description. Next, exfoliating with a lip scrub helps remove dead skin buildup that contributes to clogged pores. The key is to choose a scrub with fine, gentle exfoliants, not large, rough particles that can cause tiny cuts. One of the best is Burt's Bees Conditioning Lip Scrub. It uses natural honey crystals to buff away impurities while keeping lips soft and hydrated. You can find the link below if you want to try it out. For stubborn blackheads, a BHA treatment, beta-hydroxy acid, works wonders by penetrating deep into pores and clearing out blockages. The Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant is a cult favorite for a reason. It unclogs pores, smooths out texture, and prevents new blackheads from forming. It's lightweight, easy to apply, and super effective. I've linked it in the description so you can check it out. Which of these solutions have you tried before? Drop a comment below and let us know what worked for you. Next up, we're talking about how to prevent blackheads on your lips so they don't keep coming back. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it.